The ratio of Joy's weight to Jane's weight is 4:5. If each of them loses 6 kg, the ratio will become 5:7. Find the total weight of the two girls. Now, to do this question, we have to identify the keywords, which is each of them loses 6 kg. Now, when each of the item or person loses or gives away equal quantity, okay? Gives away equal quantities. The difference must remain same. Difference remains same. Alright, so gives away or receives equal quantity. Okay, it works the same way. If you receive equal quantity or you give away equal quantity, your difference must be the same. So to do this question, we can employ the BCA table, before, change, after, or we can just draw for ourselves a ratio. Okay, so we draw up the ratios for Joyce is to Jane, 4:5, and develop a difference ratio as well, because the difference must be made the same. So this is 1. Okay, so this can be the before, right? And in the after case, it became 5:7. The difference is now 2, because 7 minus 5 is 2. So we must ensure that these two numbers are the same. So we times 2 throughout here, we get 2:10:8. So as you can see, for Joyce, right, she went from 8 to 5, reduced by 3 units. Okay, same thing for Jane actually, reduced by 3 units. Oh, same number of units. Why? Because they each lost the same mass, 6 kg, which means these 3 units here must be equals to 6 kg. Alright, so what is the total weight of the girls? So we find 1 unit, 6 divided by 3, that will be 2 kilograms. What is the total weight of the two girls? That will be at the start. Okay, they use the before one. Why? Because the question says if they did not really lose the weight. So their current weight, what is their current weight? 8 plus 10. 18 units, right? So 18 units, 2 times 18, 36 kilograms is the final answer for this question.